Turning 60 doesn't mean slowing down, it's your time to thrive. Glowing star, in this empowering and practical video, we share 10 essential tips for staying active and healthy after 60, designed to help you feel strong, energetic, and confident every day. As we age, our bodies and needs change, but with the right habits, you can stay mobile, maintain your independence, and enjoy a vibrant, fulfilling lifestyle. From joint-friendly exercises to smart nutrition and mental wellness strategies, these tips are tailored to support healthy aging and long-term vitality. Whether you're just starting your wellness journey or looking to level up your routine, this video provides real-world advice you can use right away to stay active, sharp, and healthy well into your golden years. Backhand index pointing right, watch now and take the first step toward a healthier, more active life after 60. Reaching the age of 60 is a truly significant milestone in life. It marks a new chapter, filled with opportunities for growth and enjoyment. This period can be one of your most fulfilling yet. Maintaining an active and healthy lifestyle becomes even more crucial now. It's about preserving your vitality and ensuring your well-being. This commitment allows you to fully embrace every moment. Our goal today is to help you enjoy life to its fullest. We want to empower you to thrive, not just survive. Let's explore how to make your years after 60 your healthiest and happiest. Physical activity is paramount for health at any age, especially after 60. It's a cornerstone of longevity and quality of life. Regular movement keeps your body strong and resilient. Include a variety of aerobic exercises in your routine. Brisk walking, swimming, and cycling are excellent choices. These activities boost your cardiovascular health and endurance. Incorporate strength training to maintain muscle mass and bone density. This helps prevent age-related decline and keeps you strong. Use weights, resistance bands, or even your own body weight. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity each week. This could be 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Consistency is key to seeing lasting benefits. Alternatively, you can aim for 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity weekly. This might include jogging or high-intensity interval training. Choose what best suits your fitness level. Nourishment is a key component of a healthy lifestyle. What you eat directly impacts your energy levels and overall health. Fueling your body properly is essential. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They support digestion and overall bodily functions. Include lean protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, and lentils. Protein is vital for muscle repair and maintenance. It also helps you feel full and satisfied. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive saturated fats. These can contribute to inflammation and chronic health issues. Making healthier choices supports long-term well-being. Consider consulting a registered nutritionist for personalized dietary plans. They can help tailor your diet to your specific needs and health goals. Professional guidance can make a significant difference. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and other health issues. It's often overlooked but incredibly important. Proper hydration supports every bodily process. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Your body's thirst signals can diminish with age. Make hydration a conscious habit. Carry a water bottle with you and sip regularly. This makes it easier to meet your daily fluid intake goals. Keep it accessible as a constant reminder. Herbal teas and water-rich fruits and vegetables also contribute to hydration. Vary your fluid sources to keep things interesting. Staying hydrated supports energy and cognitive function. Quality sleep is vital for both physical and mental well-being. It allows your body to repair and rejuvenate. Adequate rest impacts everything from mood to immunity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly. This range is generally recommended for adults. Listen to your body and find what works best for you. Establish a regular sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time daily. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Consistency improves sleep quality. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include reading, a warm bath, or gentle stretching. Avoid screens before bed. Ensure your sleep environment is dark, quiet, and cool. These conditions promote deeper, more restorative sleep. Prioritizing sleep is an investment in your health. Chronic stress can have negative impacts on both your physical and mental health. It can elevate blood pressure and weaken your immune system. Finding ways to cope is crucial. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation or mindfulness. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. These practices help calm your nervous system. Engage in yoga or deep breathing exercises. These activities combine physical movement with mental focus. They are excellent tools for stress relief and relaxation. Spend time in nature, whether it's a walk in the park or gardening. Nature has a calming effect on the mind and body. Connect with the outdoors regularly. Pursue hobbies and activities you enjoy to provide a healthy outlet for stress. Laughter and joy are powerful stress reducers. Make time for what brings you happiness. Maintaining strong social connections is crucial for mental and emotional health. Isolation can lead to feelings of loneliness and depression. Human connection is a fundamental need. Stay connected with friends and family through regular visits, calls, or video chats. Nurture these relationships that bring joy and support. Reach out and stay in touch. Join clubs or groups that align with your interests. This could be a book club, a hiking group, or a volunteer organization. Meeting new people expands your social circle. Participate in social activities within your community. Attend local events, classes, or workshops. Engaging with others keeps your mind active and your spirits high. Volunteering is another excellent way to stay socially engaged and give back. It provides a sense of purpose and connection. Find opportunities that resonate with you. Scheduling consistent visits with your doctor is essential for proactive health management. Regular checkups allow for monitoring your overall health. They are a cornerstone of preventive care. Include all necessary health screenings as recommended by your physician. These can include blood pressure checks, cholesterol tests, and cancer screenings. Early detection is vital. Regular checkups enable the early detection of potential health issues. Catching problems early often leads to more effective treatment options. Don't skip these important appointments. Discuss any new symptoms or concerns with your doctor promptly. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek clarification. Being proactive about your health empowers you. Maintain an open and honest dialogue with your healthcare providers. They are your partners in health. Share your health goals and any challenges you face. Bone density naturally decreases with age, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Protecting your bones becomes increasingly important. Take steps to maintain bone strength. Incorporate weight-bearing exercises into your routine. Activities like walking, jogging, dancing, and climbing stairs help strengthen bones. These put healthy stress on your skeletal system. Ensure adequate intake of calcium and vitamin D. Calcium is the building block of bones, and vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Dairy, leafy greens, and fortified foods are good sources. Discuss bone density screenings with your doctor, especially if you have risk factors. Early detection of bone loss allows for timely intervention. Protect your skeletal framework. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, as these can negatively impact bone health. Make lifestyle choices that support strong bones. Your bones support you throughout life. Keeping your mind sharp is just as important as keeping your body active. Mental stimulation helps maintain cognitive function. Engage your brain regularly. Engage in stimulating activities like reading books, newspapers, or articles. Learning new information keeps your brain active and engaged. Explore diverse topics. Work on puzzles such as crosswords, Sudoku, or jigsaw puzzles. These activities challenge your problem-solving skills and memory. They are fun ways to exercise your brain. Learn new skills or hobbies, like playing a musical instrument or a new language. This creates new neural pathways and keeps your brain adaptable. Embrace lifelong learning. Play brain-training games or strategic board games. These can improve memory, attention, and critical thinking. Challenge yourself with new mental tasks. Paying attention to your body's signals is crucial for preventing injury and burnout. Your body communicates its needs. Learn to interpret its messages. Rest when needed and avoid pushing beyond your limits. Recovery is just as important as activity. Give your body time to repair and rejuvenate. Modify activities as necessary to accommodate any changes in your physical capabilities. It's okay to adjust your routine. Adaptability is a sign of wisdom. Consult a doctor for any persistent pain, discomfort, or unusual symptoms. Don't ignore warning signs. Early intervention can prevent minor issues from becoming major ones. Be mindful of how different foods, activities, and stressors affect you. Understand your body's unique responses. This self-awareness empowers you to make better choices. By embracing these tips, you can significantly improve your quality of life after 60. These practices are not just about adding years to your life. They are about adding life to your years. You can maintain your independence and continue to enjoy a vibrant, fulfilling life. Staying active and healthy allows you to pursue your passions. It empowers you to live on your own terms. Remember, it's never too late to prioritize your health and well-being. Every small step you take contributes to a healthier future. Start today and invest in yourself. Your golden years can truly be your best years. Embrace this journey with confidence and commitment. You have the power to shape a healthy and joyful future. Thumbs up like this video if you're embracing healthy aging. Speech balloon comment your favorite wellness tip or routine. Bell subscribe for weekly videos on fitness, nutrition, and lifelong vitality. Have you tried this health tip? Share your experience below and pin a comment, and please share your favorite healthy tips. Thanks for watching the video.